The ruler postulate is on page 12 in your textbook, and it's written in kind of complicated language, but this is essentially what it says. The first part is you can make a ruler on any line using points. Pretty simple, right? You can make a ruler on a line. And the second part says you can find the distance between any 2 points by finding the absolute value of their difference. So here's really what it says. Here's an example. Here's a line. Here's some points. I can even put one all the way over here. We'll say this is -1, 0, 1, maybe this is 3. And if I wanted to find the distance between, let's say, 0 and 3, I could just subtract them. I'm going to do 0, I'm going to do 0 minus 3. That's -3. Find the absolute value of that. The distance is 3. That's it. Now, I think the segment addition postulate is a little more interesting than the ruler postulate. This one's also on page 12. And here's what it says. If B, and they mean point B, is between A and C, then AB plus BC equals AC. Notice that there's no line up here, so they're talking about the lengths here. So they're saying this length plus this length equals the length of the total segment. Okay, let's do a couple examples here. Let me move this out of the way. Okay, suppose AB equals x and BC equals x plus 6 and AC equals 24 in the diagram shown above. Okay, they'd like us to find x and find BC. Let's label what they've given us. They said that the length of AB is x, the length of BC is x plus 6, and this entire length from A to C is 24. So from here to here, well, that's 24. Okay, here's what I know. If I'm going to find x, I know that AB, this section, plus BC, this section, equals the entire segment. So if I substitute in those values for AB, x, BC, x plus 6, then that should equal the total length of the segment, 24. Now this is an algebraic equation. Combine like terms. 2x plus 6 equals 24. Subtract 6 from both sides. 2x equals 18. Divide by 2 on both sides. X is 9. Now our second question asks us to find BC there, supposing that x equals 9. Here's what I know. I know that BC equals x plus 6. I also know, from what I just found out, that x equals 9. So I can take this 9 value and plug it in for x to find the value of BC. BC is 9 plus 6, or its total length, is 15.